Good morning, candidates. Those who are appearing for Bank of Maharashtra, Canara Bank, and also ECGC, this point will be very useful. What are the rising trends in the banking industry? See, technology has played an influential role in furthering the cause and effect of banking on the Indian masses. In addition to that, the industry owes its current shape and size to develop trends like growing customer centricity. That is, everything, whatever is done is towards satisfying customer, from the banks towards customers. Growing customer centricity. This has allowed wider competition and more options for people to choose from. Alternative channels such as point of sale terminals have digitally transformed industry to make services mobile friendly. As per a statistics, in 2020, such channels will account for an estimated 87% of the transactions volume. Government regulations are supporting innovation in the industry. I can make it bigger for you. Yeah. Yeah, I'm trying to make it bigger for you. Yeah. We are seeing this one. Yeah. Government regulations are supporting the innovation and industry, the effect of which is visible in the following trends. Digitization and digitalization. The advent of services like internet-enabled banking, a real-time gross settlement, national electronic fund transfer, and immediate payment service have driven the cost of operations down. They are aiding front lines to make fewer human errors than before and adding to the profit margins of the bank. इसमें क्या बोलता है अभी डिजिटाइजेशन आने का बदला बट इस इंटरनेट बैंकिंग आ गया रियल टाइम ग्रॉस सेटलमेंट आ गया एनईएफटी आ गया आईएमपीएस आ गया इसका वजह से तो ऑपरेशन का कॉस्ट कम हो गया और मिस्टेक्स भी कम हो रहा है लेकिन जो कस्टमर ऑपरेट करता है वो मिस्टेक करने से तो जरूर मिस्टेक होगा ऑनलाइन मोबाइल बैंकिंग एप्स हैव टेकन बैंकिंग टू अ होल न्यू लेवल and reduce the dependence on retail banking outlets. At the moment, an individual with a smartphone and an internet connection can easily monitor account balance, perform fund transfer, and make payments without visiting the branch. In the not so distant future, we can easily see the Internet of Things and the voice-enabled functions making बैंकिंग सीमलेस का मतलब क्या है SEAMLESS seamless means a smooth and continuous yeah real life use cases of the same have already made it to our homes with television, cars and other appliances becoming voice friendly. Something, what is that? Ajax? No, not Ajax. There is one thing, Apex, what is that? I'm not getting the name of that. Oh, Alexa, yeah. Next one is, see, so far we have seen two things. One is digitalization. Then we have seen online mobile banking. अभी क्या देख रहा हूं? Unified payment interface. Staying put with technology, a unified payment interface app is a payment system that allows immediate interbank fund transfer with a few clicks on your smartphone. It was engineered by the National Payment Corporation of India with the ruling oversight of the Reserve Bank of India. As far as the interbank payment systems go, it does not get any better than this. Introduced in the year 2016, the service is available 24 by 7, 365 days. As of writing, more than 50 banks support fund transfer through UPI, Unified Payment Interface. This is what I also use Google Pay, Phone Pay, and all that. It is very convenient. It is very, very convenient. But you see, in the absence of this unified payment interface, the number of checks usage would have gone up. Clearing transactions would have increased. अभी तो बहुत कुछ कम हो गया. आजकल तो कोई डिमांड ड्राफ्ट भी लेते नहीं बैंक से. आजकल तो कोई टेलीग्राफिक ट्रांसफर भेजता नहीं है. खाली अपना घर में बैठ के सब कुछ काम कर देते हैं. Next one is very important, blockchain. This immutable technology has served ample proof to show how far it can go in securing records and preserving the history of data. The technology has crossed over from blog hype onto the ground realities, and wherein the Niti Aayog is tasked with creating an Indian chain to speed up transactions and reducing the risk of fraud. This is useful for cryptocurrency also. Next one, digital only banks. In other words, payment banks. This is a new category of bank introduced by the Reserve Bank of India. Payment banks have the legal capacity to offer the majority of facilities that conventional banks do, except for issuing loans and credit cards. Each retail customer can deposit up to rupees 1. Now it has been raised to 2 lakhs. Now this has been revised to 2 lakhs in the payments bank. 11 entities have been accredited the license to operate as payments bank by the RBI. Of these 11, 6 are active at the time of writing. In the financial year 19, the Indian economy grew at 6.8%. What we are talking is old. Figures says that the economy could grow at 5%, approximately 5.8% 2021. Don't believe this because things would have changed now on account of Corona. When this was written, Corona was not there. When was this written? Thanks to NIIT. Thanks to NIIT, the good write-up. It's a very good write-up. Which date they wrote it? 15th of April 2020. Say, for example, at a time when Corona was there, it has started. At that time, they have written, this is useful. I have now used a portion of this. I will use the other portions later on. I will use the other portions later on so that I can make use of it. You know, a lot of things to be learned here. Lot of things can be learned from online. But not only learning, you must be able to remember. You youngsters must be able to remember, and it's not a problem. Please note it. Yeah. So this is what I have shared here. Now I was recording this one here. Yeah, I'll stop sharing. Thank you so much.